to subtract two rational expressions with the same denominator, just combine the numerators and keep the common denominator. So for this example, we just need to combine the numerators. Be careful, there's a negative sign in the middle. So that means you have to change each sign in the second numerator to the opposite sign. So we have 3x squared plus 4x minus 11x, minus 11x plus 4, and that's all over x minus 1. In the numerator, combine your like terms. So we have 3x squared minus 7x plus 4 over x minus 1. If you have a trinomial left over, always see if you can factor it. Actually, the numerator can be factored, so let's go through the steps to factoring a trinomial. The first step, multiply your outer numbers 3 times 4. So that will give us 12. And we need to figure out what factors of positive 12 will add to give us a negative 7. Right, negative 3 and negative 4. The next step, rewrite the middle term, the negative 7x, using the factors we found. So we have 3x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 4, still all over x minus 1. Now, the numerator can be factored by grouping. So you will group the first two terms and the last two terms and take out their respective GCF, or greatest common factor. So the first two terms have a 3x in common. So we'll take out a 3x. And what's left in parentheses is x minus 1. The last pair, since our main sign in the parentheses is negative, we must change the positive 4 at the end into a negative. So therefore we need to factor out a negative 4 from both of them. So that will leave us with x minus 1 as well. If you have the same binomial in each pair of parentheses, then you are on the right track. The next step is to combine everything. So we have x minus 1 times 3x minus 4 all over x minus 1. At this point, see if there's anything you can cancel. You're right, the x minus 1s will cancel out, leaving us our final answer, 3x minus 4. So whether you're adding or subtracting rational expressions that have the same denominator, keep the common denominator and combine your numerators together. And watch out if you have to factor or do something else to simplify your answer. In the next video, we will still look at adding and subtracting rational expressions with unlike denominators.